All right, so tonight's dumbass of the day is our buddy Eric July again, because I've heard some
Can we
new
please stop
rumors.
calling him Eric? I've been
July?
saying
No,
this
it's his
from the beginning.
name.
It's his.
Blarick.
Yeah, it's literally his name, Eric.
Blarick or Derek,
Mr. July.
something else. Yeah,
Ripa.
Nah, Mr. July.
no, we
Blarick.
call
It
has a
him,
last name.
I thought we were
Yeah.
agreed to call him Blair,
we call him EJ.
like Black Eric, like Blarick.
EJ. We refer to him as EJ.
That makes him
Little
sound
Isom.
gayer than he actually is, which is very difficult.
Yeah, EJ Isom. EJ Isom.
All right. So, anyways, I've heard some rumors recently. Now, we all know he's undergoing a lawsuit over the trademark of ISOM with the International School of Ministry. And Eric before has bragged about his rock star lawyers, right? You know, the ones that probably were actually musicians at one point.
I mean,
not the people you'd want to hire to
dude,
take care of a prenup.
Dude, like, as somebody that has hired like business lawyers before, if any one of them called themselves a rock star, I would be like,
I'm a
yeah,
rock star lawyer.
This meeting's over. I'll go somewhere else, Mr. Rockstar.
Well, apparently, Eric was so ashamed of his representation when it came to this this legal proceedings that he went out and found him a new lawyer to represent him. And I have said lawyer's webpage right here. You guys want to take a look at it? This is
Really?
SoCal IP Law Group. These are the people Eric July has hired.
Only
And what
one
you
of them-
saw,
So
was
far,
just-
right now, this is a rumor. I heard from someone that they saw one of these people's names on a filing. I haven't seen the filing myself, so we'll just keep it at rumor status for now.
okay, Eric, help me up with something here. How do you guys call when two business trade services or products, but like
subcontract.
product by maybe it was that.
are you
What I
talking
mean is
about,
there's
like,
no
when
money. There's no money involved. We just trading goods from the two companies, services, whatever.
Barter.
So that's what you seen on the screen was part of the barter. It's like Eric was like,
No,
"Yo, dude,
no,
and I
no.
can do you some crazy superhero
I guarantee
branding."
Kyle,
That's part
I
of the payment.
guarantee you, this image is at least a year old.
I think he
Okay.
made a mistake because only one of them looks kind of Jewish.
The guy on the far left looked like Harold Ramis.
That's what I'm saying. The guy on the far left is the only one that kind of looks Jewish. The other two looks like Goyams.
No, he looks like the middle one looks like he could be an Ashkenazi.
I'm not saying he couldn't. It's just they don't look it, except for the one on the left. He's
I mean,
definitely-
all three of them got huge noses.
The one on
Yeah.
the left kind of looks like Jerry Springer, doesn't it?
Kind
young
of like a mix
Jerry
between
Springer.
Harold Ramis and Jerry Springer. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, these are the guys that he's hired to represent him. Now they have a weird page on their website called Tombstones.
Tombstones?
Tombstones. What do you think that means?
I'm guessing life insurance policies they cashed in on.
No, they're IP. They're IP law. Intellectual property.
Oh,
I'm guessing these are just like big
Okay, so Obsidian is
cases they've been a
is that
part of.
Obsidian Entertainment?
Yes.
Oh my
Yeah, those are
god.
the guys who did Fallout New Vegas and they're
Yeah,
still
those
doing
New
games.
Vegas.
Obsidian, so they oversaw the acquisition of Obsidian by Microsoft.
Okay, that was a big. That's some big shit.
damn.
Yeah. So he's got himself some decent lawyers, but
Ridge Wallet. A bunch of people suing Ridge Wallet. Mosaic Brands versus
direct
Ridge
patent
Wallet.
infringement claims, induced and willful infringement claims.
All right, but see, here's the other thing we're not thinking about is like clearly
More
the
Ridge Wallet.
advertisement before was the four partners most likely.
Mhm.
and then they have all their underling lawyers. He doesn't have the super four working for him. He has
Well,
like
they don't have a
Hmm?
ton of these are just like this is everyone, right? So
man,
here's
there's
your
a lot of
attorneys.
noses there, isn't there? I take back what I said before.
I'm not sure.
These are the associates, right? There's more people underneath that don't
Exactly.
deserve the
Like I was
the
saying,
headshot yet.
the four super lawyers at before, they're not working for Eric July.
Hey Eric, remember the one you said didn't look very
EJ.
Jewish? Look what his name is.
Every single time.
All right, how do I go back? God damn it! There we go. I just right click.
Wait, is Lang a Jewish last name?
Where do you see the name? That's a
Right,
different person.
The blonde hair lady.
Dude, I
To
didn't
be
realize,
fair,
Oh.
minority
nose.
Jewish.
dude, I didn't realize Cumberbatch was a real name.
Really?
Yeah.
But
All
that's
the way
the
up at the
actor.
top.
It's
Guy.
not a character by the actor.
Cumberbatch.
Oh my god! Look at this guy's photo.
What's the first name to the Sherlock Holmes guy? Benedict.
Benedict. Yeah. This guy's photo.
That's
That's
like what
Ray.
I expect the critic to look like in real life.
That's Ray.
This is what I expect the Zodiac killer to look like in real life.
Actually, you know who he reminds me of? Fucking John Wayne Gacy.
By Cumberbatch. Hmm.
Might tread
I
lightly
mean,
and
they
fucking with
all
lawyers,
look
guys.
very lawyery.
Yeah, this probably isn't a great fucking
Nope.
idea.
What?
I don't know. We're not doing nothing.
Yeah, like we're looking at their publicly available page.
Yeah. Familiar human, quit being all
And
worryful and
nothing,
old.
nothing
what
that
about
we've
the
said
human?
bad about like Eric July reflects back on them. They're hired guns. Like they don't know what this fucking idiot does online. They don't know his comic book sucks. They're there to win a trademark case for some dude from Texas with a warehouse.
A losing trademark case. But dude,
Yeah,
I had this.
lose a trademark case.
Yeah, exactly. I had a great idea, dude. To do some like not even a comic, maybe just a cover of a comic called IsomD, the international. What's the International School of the Ministry of the
Yeah.
and it wouldn't infringe on them, right? IsomD,
No.
IsomD,
That's what I was thinking. Isomed.
and
This
you
guy
call it
looks
the
like a real
International
character.
School, the Ministry, dude.
Steve Serboff is recognized as a premier intellectual property strategist. I know they pay probably good money to have people write this shit up, but it always sounds stupid.
Oh, did you see the? You just saw the title on the top. A boutique firm for intellectual
Yeah,
property.
a boutique law firm, which means they're small, but they've had some pretty big cases.
But they're expensive.
But
if I
what I wanna
interpret
know-
boutique correctly.
Mm-hmm. What I want to know is how many of these did you win? Did
Well,
you win
that-
all of these?
Well, like Lucas told me, what you need to look at is what kind of law they practice, and their record, wins and losses, baby. That's all you need.
I mean,
right?
I would
there.
need to know. I would need to know his actual lawyer's name to do that.
Oh,
So,
I mean,
I don't
we
know- I
have
don't
all
know
their
if-
names right there, so
I guess
I
we
don't
could,
think it's any of them.
we could pick one and speculate.
let's see. SoCal IV Law Group wins, losses, cases.
I bet there's a
Mm.
website that tracks that shit.
Probably. That Ricada would be a person to ask about that. I'm gonna call him up. Yo, Nick.
Ask his wife.
I'm pretty sure
Sure.
it's the state bar.
Maybe. I
It's
just thought that
gotta
was,
all
I just
be
thought that was
public
really
record.
hilarious. Like of all the companies for him to hire to represent him, like you think he wants to be like taken seriously at least a little bit. But this says otherwise.
This is on
Yeah.
their website, though, right?
Yes, if I was Eric July and have been taking the shit sandwiches that he's been taking online lately, I wouldn't hire a law firm with superhero.
Well, actually, I take this back because they're smart enough. They put this shit out here because Marvel's been huge for years, and they
Mhm.
know stupid dopes.
They're in
Like-
California.
Well, they
Like-
also
like
probably they might
EJ
deal a
will-
lot with like comic book,
nerds.
video games,
Come on, just
shit
say
like
it, nerds.
nerd shit. Yeah, they probably deal a lot with nerd shit.
So they know their clients will like nerd shit.
Yeah. But
I
if
mean,
I wasn't already their client when they did this, I wouldn't become their client based off of this.
First
You know
of
what
all,
I'm saying?
it.
I never trust anybody with 4 fingers anyway.
Wait, why does the
that's-
woman have 5 though? You see
Yeah,
that?
that's even weirder.
All
it's
the
an
guys
extra-
have 4
an extra
fingers.
No,
Well,
she
you
has
know, you
5.
know what this is from, because you can recognize the way the faces are drawn. It's those websites where you build your face, or I think they even have like you just take your picture and the Toasty would know because she does that kind of dumb
will-
shit. And this woman, right?
Shut up, Kyle. But yes, he's right. It's one of those things where you take photos of yourself and you kind of paste your face onto the body.
Yeah, it has this very clip art,
Yeah.
early 2000s clip art feel to it.
Yeah, he says you gotta have 5 fingers for a proper handy. Jesus. I thought that was a very odd choice on Eric July's part.
No, they know who
Yeah.
they're selling to.
And did you see Eric trying to sneak an EJ?
Yes,
Whatever
yeah.
he was saying
Fuck you,
before.
Kyle. Yeah.
Shut up, dude. EJ. Sneaking
Maybe-
in a new nickname.
Maybe I'm just such a contrarian that like anything that's designed to pander to me, I'm immediately like, no, fuck that. I don't want that. Like it could be just because I'm an asshole.
No, I'm
Hipster?
kind of the same way, dude. It's like that's why I don't really care for organized religion because I feel like you're trying to sell me God. You know what I'm saying?